Good day, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to design a 3D logo with your smartphone on Pixellab. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button down, and if you're a returning visitor, please share this video, like and comment so that others can get access to it. So let's get to it. Today the app we're going to be using for this video is called Pixellab. And if you stay with me till the end of this video, you would have learned how to design a 3D logo like this from start to finish with your mobile phone. So let's go now. Let me delete this and open a new page. So this is what we have on the new page. I'm going to delete this text right here. Then I'll just make my background black. So I'll make my background black. So let me show you how to do that. To make your background black, you activate my brush. So you tap on this icon right here. This one. So tap on it, then you go to color, you go to image right here. This one here is if you want to add a background image. You can see we'll still come back to this. So this is your background image, but I don't want to do background, so I want to do just a black color. So I'll just click on color and just make it black. So I'll delete this text right here. So I'm going to be importing the things I'll be needing for this video. So I had already downloaded the things I need. I need the 3D the ribbon. I need my social media icons. So you can see the three of them. So I'll just quickly import the first ribbon. I'll say OK. Then I'll just place it somewhere in the middle carefully. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add text to it. Text. So the logo we'll be making today will be for G6 Global Tech Hub. So I'll click on this A here to edit. G6 Technology Hub. I'll click on OK. So I might just increase the size. Oh, let me change the font first. Let me change the font. I would use the meme font. Okay, so you can see now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to increase the size, so you can see the size right here. So I'll increase it through this button and see if it is okay. Maybe I'll just increase it further. I think I'll just work with this for now and see how it goes. So the next thing I want to do now, I want to just make it go around this ribbon in a curved way. So I'll go to my curve feature. This is it here. So I'll now curve it. Curve. So it's now 100% curved. I'll move it up. So you can see now that it didn't lap on my design properly. So what would I do? I'll go to size and reduce it slightly. Put this minus button out here. Put this minus button here, so you can see now. So you can see now it's near perfect. Okay, so I'll just click on OK. the next thing I want to do now is for visibility. I need this name to be coming out very well. So I'll just go to my font color. I'll give it black color. So I'll say okay right now. So I want to just add some touches to this G6 technology for it to just come out well. So I would emboss it. Okay. So I want to now add the acronym for G6 Technology Hub in the middle, which is GTH. So I'll still go back to text and type GTH in capital, GTH, and press OK. So what I'm going to do now, I'll bring this down here. I'll bring it down, increase it, bring it to the middle. So I want to change the font type. So I'll look for it. Okay, let me use Arial fat face. Okay. Then I want to change the color. So I'll go to this color here. Then I'll press the plus. I'll go to gradients. So you can see I had already mixed some colors to have a gold effect. So I won't be using any of those. So I can just show you how to mix colors right here. So I'll click on OK. So let me go back now and show you how to mix the colors. So I'll click on this plus button. Let me delete all of this. So when you come here, you're just going to see a white, like the plain yellow. So I want to add some colors to it. So first thing I'll do, I'll tap on this plus button here to add a section. You can see one of that in the middle. And I just add another one again, then the last one. So I'll just drag this. Now I can now start adding colors to it. So I'll select one of them. I'll tap on this one here. So I'll just increase intensity of this to go one side. Then I'll come to this one again. The same thing. Change the intensity. You can see how it's turning out now. Okay, let me just make it so obvious so you understand what's actually happening here. Make it very black. So you can see that change of color. So let me add to this one too. I don't know if you can see now. So when I press OK, so you see the blend we have now looking like a gold, that gold effect. Okay, so let's go. The next thing I want to do, I think this is a bit is overlapping. So let me reduce the size slightly with this minus here. So I think I want to do it at 160. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, here we go. Let me position it properly. Okay, so now the next thing I want to bring to my acronym. So I'll click on the text and say I want to use technologically driven. Let me just add 3 full stops in front. Okay. So right now I'll just use the rotate button here. The rotate button, where is it? Okay, right here. So I'll just tilt it and tilt it the other way slightly. So I'll move it and drop it in this ribbon. Let's see. Drop it in the ribbon. So I might want to change the font as well. Let me use Amaranth Bold for that. You can see. So I want to still change the color to black for visibility. Then I might just want to rotate it, like not rotate, I meant curve it slightly. Yeah. Right. So you can see now we've been able to get this logo. We've not done the 3D right now, so let's just add our social media icons. But before I do that, I want to group these images together so that they don't shift from position. So let me unfreeze and group rather. So select this icon right here to mark all the things you want to group together. So these three. Then I'll select this particular button right here and merge. And the thing with this merge is that once you've merged, you cannot unmerge unless you just quickly use this reverse button up here. You cannot unmerge after you've merged, so be careful before you merge. So the next thing now is to import my social media icons which I had downloaded earlier. So let me start with WhatsApp. Okay, and I'll just reduce it to very small. I'll bring it down here. I think I want to reduce it more. Okay, so this is it. I'll just use my position tool to bring it down. Right. Okay, so now I want to import the Instagram at the same time. So click on it. Okay. Reduce the size and drop it down as well. I want to increase it further. And this is okay. So now, when looking at it, you might not be able to tell if this is properly aligned. So I might be needing the help of this tool right here. Right? So I'll click on it to bring this my alignment ruler. So this is, I don't want this 3 by 3 because it's not giving me what I want. So I'll tap on this one right here to increase the number of lines. Then I'll tap on this one here. So I'll tap on this one to increase the number of lines. I want to be 30 by 30 guidelines, so you can see. So with this now, you can see if this is aligned. So if you look closely, you can see that the line on the WhatsApp and the one on the Instagram is almost the same. So you can assume that this is properly aligned. So we'll skip that now. So to remove these guidelines, you still tap on the same alignment icon, right? Okay, so now I want to bring in my social media names. So let me start with my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 09052878143. Okay, I'll bring it down. Alright, so I'll go to fonts. Let me use an existing font. Let me see, Amaranth Bold. Okay, yeah, so I'll reduce the size. Yeah, I think this works for me. Yeah, I think this works. So I'm going to duplicate this same text so I don't repeat the same process again. So I'll click on this copy tool here to copy it, so I have now duplicated it so it has the same font and the same size, right? So I'll just place it properly and edit it. So my social media handle, my Instagram is G6 Global. That's my Instagram handle, so you can check me out on IG as well. So you can see. So you notice that this my things I'm writing now just went up, which I didn't command it. So sometimes when you're just editing, that's why I had to group this particular one so it doesn't scatter in the process of editing it. So I'm going to bring it down. So I'll go to select these two buttons here. I'll select this. No, let me uncheck this, and this, and I'll move it down. I want to move it to position. Move. I'll just do this manually. Just doing it manually right now. I'll undo. Yeah. So you can see now. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to merge these social medias. Just tap on this button right here, and I'll check all the ones I want to merge. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, merge. Yeah, they've merged now. So the next thing I want to do is to bring it to the middle of this job. So I'll select on them, then click on relative position. The relative position helps you put it in the middle of your page. So then I'll select this one here. Then I'll select this. Yes. Then select this. Okay, so click on this relative position. So it's now aligned in the center. So I click on OK. So you can see our logo is almost ready. So the next thing I want to do now is to bring the 3D effects, to put the 3D effect on it. So I'll just select this. Then I'll go to emboss. No, I want to do the 3D first. So you can see the 3D effect already. I haven't even done much. So I'm going to click on oblique, this after perspective oblique. So this is it. So you can see now. I'll scroll up and just make this thing suit me. I would reduce the depth. You can see. So I'll still scroll. Depth color can be changed. Darkness. You can see the darkness. So I'll just leave it at this. The oblique ratio, you can change it where the 3G is going to be going towards. So I'm gonna just leave it at this. So with the rotation, you can do that. Enable light angle. So where the light is coming from, you can change it. So you can see how it's turning out. Intensity could be reduced or increased. So anyone. The shadow too as well can be worked on. Spectacular hardness will still be reduced. Can you see it? Can you see what's going on? So that is how to design your 3D logo on Pixellab from scratch. I just want to add a little touch to this with the emboss tool. So I've enabled the emboss tool, so I just work on it gradually. Work on the ambient light. So I'll work on the spectacular hardness. hardness. Okay. Level. Increase it. Level. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just taking it to the max so you see the effect it's having on our logo. So I might just leave it at this. You can see. So you can still do the same 3D effect to our social media. So I'll click on click this. You can see the effect, right? So I'll just reduce this drastically, then darken the depth color. You can see, yeah. So I say okay. So with this, you can say that you're done with your 3D logo on Pixellab. So please subscribe to this channel to get more amazing videos. Like, share and comment on this so that we could get recognition on YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.